How to get $100 Quiznos working promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Quiznos coupons and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can scroll down and check out any of the website. For instance, I will be opening this one. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check out. Quiznos is a popular American fast food restaurant chain specializing in toasted submarine sandwiches, salads, and soups. The chain offers a variety of sandwich options including classic subs, signature creations, and customizable options, allowing customers to tailor their sandwiches to their preferences. In addition to sandwiches, Quiznos also serves salads, soups, and sides, providing a diverse range of menu choices. Now to get discount on Quiznos, you can use these offers. So go ahead and select any of the offer that you are interested in. Click on the option of Get Code. With that, you will get the code. Now you can copy it, and whenever you check out, you can apply this coupon code. In the case you want to use this code right away, click on this option of Go to Quiznos. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Quiznos. Now you can log into your account, and whenever you check out, you can apply the coupon code. Likewise, you are also able to go through other websites. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. So that's all for this video. This is how you can get $100 Quiznos working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.